Hello, my dear friends. My name is Arjun, and I am 26 years old. I am from a small village in India, where life moves slowly and people live close to each other like one big family. Today, I want to share my story with you, a story about my dreams, my struggles, and the power of trying our best to make our dreams come true. Before we begin, let me ask you something. Do you have a dream? Something that makes your heart beat faster, something you think about before you sleep? If you do, let me tell you, no matter how big or small your dream is, it can come true if you try your best. Today is January 26th, Republic Day of India, a day that reminds us of our rights and duties as citizens. This day is about freedom, hard work, and courage. So, let me tell you my story, and I hope it inspires you to chase your dreams. The beginning of my dream. When I was a little boy, I used to stand in front of my village school and watch the national flag being hoisted on Republic Day. The tricolor flag, flying high in the sky, filled my heart with pride. I would hear our teachers talk about freedom fighters who worked hard and never gave up. I thought to myself, I want to be someone who makes my family, my village, and my country proud. But back then, I didn't know how to do that. I just knew I wanted to do something big, something meaningful. The struggle. Life in the village was not easy. My father was a farmer, and my mother took care of the house. We didn't have much money. I studied in a small school where there were only 2 teachers for all the children. Sometimes there was no electricity at home, and I had to study under a small lamp. My dream was to become an engineer and build roads, bridges, and schools for people in villages like mine. But it felt impossible. People told me, Arjun, dreams are for rich people. Focus on farming, like your father. I remember feeling sad and angry. I would ask myself, why can't I dream? Why can't I try? And then, I remembered the stories of freedom fighters. They didn't have money or power, but they had courage and hope. The turning point. When I was 18, I got the chance to study in a college in the city. It was far from my village, and my parents couldn't afford to send me. But I didn't give up. I worked hard in school and got a scholarship. Leaving my village was scary. I had never been to a big city before. The people spoke English, and I couldn't understand them. I felt small and lonely. But I told myself, Arjun, this is your chance, don't be afraid. Every morning, I woke up early and practiced speaking English. I would read books, listen to people, and write new words in a notebook. Slowly, I started to improve. Hard work pays off. In my second year of college, I got a chance to work on a small project to build a bridge in a nearby town. I was nervous, but I gave my best. My teachers noticed my dedication and supported me. After 4 years of hard work, I graduated as an engineer. It was one of the happiest days of my life. I called my parents, and they cried with joy. I had done something that no one in my village had done before. Dreams come true. Today, I work for a company that builds schools and roads in small villages. Every time I see children walking to school or farmers using a new road, I feel proud. I remember the little boy who stood under the flag on Republic Day, dreaming of doing something big. A message for you, my dear friends. Dreams are not just for rich people or smart people. Dreams are for everyone. All you need is courage and hard work. Remember, life will test you. People will doubt you. But don't stop. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dream. Today, on Republic Day, let us remember the freedom fighters who taught us to fight for what we believe in. And let us promise ourselves to never give up on our dreams. So, my friends, tell me, what is your dream? And how will you make it come true? Believe in yourself. Try your best. And one day, you will stand tall, just like the flag on Republic Day, and inspire others with your story. Thank you for listening to my story.